The meaning of a binomial. If an algebraic expression contains two terms added or subtracted to each other, it is called a binomial. We will discuss binomials more extensively in Chapter 11. For now, we focus only on the definition. Thus, by definition, a binomial is an algebraic expression of the sum or the difference of two terms. In symbols, a binomial is written as a plus b, where a and b may represent a single number, a single variable, a product of numbers and variables where the latter can be raised in a certain power, etc. For example, in the binomial, we have the following shown on screen. We have the following shown on screen. We also obtain the following shown on screen. In this tutorial, we will discover 8 algebraic identities based on the binomial structure that are widely used in many exercises involving expressions. Let's explain them one by one. That is all for lesson 6.3.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 6.3.2, Square of a Sum. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.